Hello YouTube, Tech's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a mouse wheel scrolling problem in Windows computer. You may face this problem on your Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system. So to solve this problem, open your control panel first. So click here the search icon and type control panel. At the control panel, then open it. Under the control panel, you will find here mouse, but if you cannot find it, go on the top view by, which is large icon. So click on it and select under the large icon and click here mouse. Under the mouse properties, you will find buttons, and under the buttons there is a speed option. So just increase the speed, which is to the preferable one, by checking your cursor, which is by moving to the fast section, or else make it in the middle, so you can solve your mouse wheel scrolling problem by moving the cursor back and forth under the speed section. And also you can go to the wheel section here and give a value to this vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling, any values. For example, I prefer to give it 7 and here 4, or you can make it here 5 and 3 or 4 and 2. So give a values which will be preferable, or the state that your mouse will be effective for you. So after you did this, select here apply and click here OK. Then go here on the top and close your control panel. And I hope this will solve your mouse wheel scrolling problem. So please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech out.